Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and today we're talking about procurement and the procurement of juniper. Finding the best juniper for the job. There's over 60 different breeds and types of juniper that grow all over the globe in different climates. Today we're talking about Juniperus, Communis, the common juniper berry, and we're talking about Macedonian juniper berries. With procurement, the best way to taste something if you're going to distill it is basically stick it in your mouth, give it a taste. Now, it's a misconception that juniper berry is actually a berry. It is in fact a female pine seed wrapped around this purple fleshiness. Now, when you break it, there's oils in there. That's what we're looking to extract with the alcohol to give you that quintessential gin flavour. Now, delicious. The oil is like a piney sort of eucalyptus style gum. We're looking for a good content of that within the berry because that's where we're going to get our gin flavour from. Macedonian juniper berries. Have a good day.